Well, good evening, and welcome back to Proceeding Onward in America.
POA.
Well, we probably look like the thing one, thing two, but it's just our new shirts, and we just got married, so this is our first Thanksgiving together as a married couple.
And first together, period, actually.
So, yes. So, it's Wednesday. No,
Yeah, it's Wednesday.
it's Wednesday?
Yeah, baby.
Okay. It's Wednesday,
Tomorrow's Thanksgiving.
and we decided to buy the turkey today. So it's still frozen.
Of course.
So we're going to leave it here
Overnight.
room temperature, and hopefully hope this thing can thaw fast.
We can still season it.
No, we can't. It's frozen.
A little bit. Right here's okay. He's not that frozen here.
It's still frozen.
Okay, well, before we go to the Macy's Day Parade.
Because where are we going tomorrow?
The Macy's Day Parade.
Why are we going there?
Because I always wanted to go since a little kid.
Why?
Because it's cool.
So, yeah, we're going to New York Macy's Day Parade, Thanksgiving Day Parade, to go see some floaty balloons.
Well, we're hoping there's floaties tomorrow. It's supposed to be really windy. We might not see the floats.
So, we'll definitely record that. So, I'll definitely remember to bring everything I need. I'll try.
Hopefully you can hear yourself talking because the heater's on.
You can hear me. But, we just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. And you're going to see, right after this video, you're going to definitely see us having fun at the Macy's Day Parade. And you're going to see us having our Thanksgiving meal on what we decided to cook just for the two of us.
Just the two of us.
Yes. And then we're going to see some more family members after that. So it'll be fun. So hope you enjoy the parade.
It is dark 30 on Thanksgiving Day. We're heading to the Macy's Day Parade. Yay! That's where we parked for the night. Right next to the train station. Happy Thanksgiving!
I'm done. I tried.
Ta-da! Michael Thomas is getting lathered in butter. Michael Thomas is the name of our turkey this year.
Don't know if it's gonna fit.
Oh, we're supposed to put a cover on it.
Supposed to cover it?
Usually you put a tin foil on top.
See you in 3 hours.
Bye, Michael Thomas.
Plus 1,000 Chrysler Capital bonus cash on select 2019 Grand Cherokee models in dealer stock.
Yay! This is all mine. It'll be a you go dig for yourself type of thing. Well, hello, Mr. Archibald.
Hello, Mrs. Archibald.
Guess what you get to do today?
I get to carve the turkey.
Carve the turkey, our first family turkey. Doesn't that look delicious?
Yes, it does. One for you. One for me. On behalf of the POA family, we would like to thank everyone a happy Thanksgiving. Keep following us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and don't forget to become our Patreon, where you can help us make more videos like this. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Turkey! So we're about to leave our spot, and we ran into an issue. We detached and tried to make room so that when we pull out and everything, we didn't hit any cars. This Prius decides to park right in between. Mind you, there's all this parking. So, don't know why you had to park in between us. You can park over there. So Fabian's trying to figure out who owns this Prius. Traveling day. Yep. Why? I don't know. So we're going to attempt something. He wants to see if we can make it do a 90-degree turn. All right, back up. Keep coming. Keep coming. So we're going to make magic happen, and we're going back up and attach that way in between the Prius and our trailer. Let's see how it goes. So he's going to kind of like jackknife it in and then go from there. Dang, because getting close to this Prius is a little nerve-wracking as is. Doing great, babe. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, you should be okay. Miracles. Miracles.
Told you I could make magic happen.
You can make magic happen. Now it's attached. Now we can do the rest of the hookup. Good job, baby.